Fotol AI Image Generator is a brand new AI tool that's revolutionizing the way we create images online. And if you're considering whether it's the right fit for your creative or business needs, here are 7 crucial things you need to know. Stick around because I'll share insights that could change the way you work with AI-powered image generation. Plus, I'll also be sharing how you can try Fotol AI Image Generator for free, so make sure to stay tuned until the end. First off, let's talk about ease of use. Fotol AI Image Generator is incredibly user-friendly, making it accessible even to those who have never worked with AI tools before. You don't need any technical expertise to start generating stunning images. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or just looking to create images for personal use, Fotol's interface is straightforward and intuitive, which is one of the reasons it's getting so much buzz right after its release. Secondly, Fotol offers incredibly fast image generation. Unlike some AI tools that can take minutes to process your requests, Fotol's technology creates high-quality images in seconds. This is a huge time saver if you're looking to get things done quickly without sacrificing quality. One of the standout features of Fotol AI Image Generator is its diversity in image styles. You can create a wide range of images, from realistic photos to abstract art and everything in between. Whether you need an image for a professional presentation, a marketing campaign, or something creative for social media, Fotol can cater to your needs. It's flexible enough to meet the demands of both personal and professional use. Now, let's talk about customization. Fotol AI Image Generator allows for some level of customization, letting you fine-tune the results. You can input your preferences and tweak various parameters, giving you more control over the final product. This feature is perfect if you want something unique or need an image to match a specific brand style. Another thing to note is Fotol's scalability. If you're running a business, this software is designed to scale with you. It's a great option for small businesses, content creators, and even larger companies that need bulk image generation without compromising quality. Whether you need one image or hundreds, Fotol can handle it. You'll also love the variety of templates that come with Fotol AI Image Generator. These templates are great for people who need to get things done fast. They provide a good starting point, and you can customize them further to suit your needs. This makes the tool even more versatile, allowing you to create professional quality content without starting from scratch. Lastly, Fotol AI Image Generator is equipped with a robust community and customer support. The team behind the software is responsive and dedicated to helping users get the most out of their AI tool. Whether you're stuck or need advice on how to get the best results, Fotol's support team is there to help. So, what's the verdict? Fotol AI Image Generator is definitely one of the best tools that's just been released in the AI image generation space. Its ease of use, speed, and customization options make it a top contender for anyone looking to create stunning images with AI. And don't forget, you can try this software completely free from the first link below. After trying thousands of AI tools, I found some that truly stand out, and Fotol is one of the best. In the description below, I've also linked my recommended AI tools that you can try for free, so make sure to check those out. If you're serious about exploring the power of AI, Fotol AI Image Generator should definitely be on your radar.